Ethereum price prediction ETH forms rare death cross pattern last seen in 2022. What's going on? ETH. Ethereum price prediction. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Ethereum fell by over 30% in a matter of months the last time its 2-week chart formed a death cross. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Author. Simon Chandler. Author. Simon Chandler. About author. Simon Chandler is a Brighton-based writer and journalist with over 10 years of experience writing about crypto, technology, politics, and culture. He has written for cryptonews.com since late 2017. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated. June 26, 2025. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. The Ethereum price has risen slightly to $2,447 today, making this move as the crypto market as a whole loses 3% in the past 24 hours. Ongoing instability in the Middle East has put the market on a shaky foundation this week, while today's news regarding Judge Torres' rejection of a final settlement between the SEC and Ripple has also weighed on prices. ETH therefore remains down by 2% in a week and by 8% in a month, with its 2-week chart forming a very bearish death cross that could indicate further losses. However, such crosses precede a clearing out of weaker hands, and with Ethereum's fundamentals remaining as strong as ever, the long-term ETH price prediction remains bullish. Ethereum price prediction ETH forms rare death cross pattern last seen in 2022. What's going on? Looking at ETH's 2-week chart, we can see that its 20-period average, orange, has just dropped below the 50-period, blue, following the coin's declines since the start of the year. And if you scan back in time, you can see that the last time these two averages formed a death cross was in September 2022, when the Ethereum price went from around $1,750 to $1,150 by December. This is a 34% decline, implying that we may be about to see a similarly steep drop in the coming weeks and months. There are other parallels with the second half of 2022, such as the fact that Ethereum's moving average convergence divergence, orange, blue, has recently turned negative. And after turning negative in the middle of 2022, it remained below the baseline for more or less a year, as ETH struggled to regain the highs it had enjoyed in late 2021. Of course, past patterns are no guarantee of the future, and it's possible to argue that circumstances are different this time, what with a pro-crypto White House. But we can also argue that, with the situation tense in the Middle East, the crypto market could encounter shocks that drag down the Ethereum price. On a more positive note, we could also suggest that a death cross on ETH's 2-week chart was the beginning of a consolidating period which eventually resulted in new growth. And because Ethereum remains the biggest Layer 1 network in terms of TVL, it's a prime position to grow again once conditions are more favorable. Based on this, we can expect that, after dipping in the coming weeks, the Ethereum price will return to $3,000 by Q4 and to $3,500 by the end of the year. Solaxi continues to rally after big launch and $58 million presale. Best new coin. For those traders worried that history may repeat itself for Ethereum, there are newer tokens that are showing more positive momentum in the near term. A strong example of this is Solaxi, SOLX, a new Layer 2 platform that has recently listed after raising a massive $58 million in its presale. Its native token SOLX has now listed on Uniswap and Radium, and it's up by 5% in the past 24 hours, as of writing. In fact, it had a massive opening earlier this week, reaching its current record high of $0.001284 on Tuesday, which made for a 108% gain over its lowest price on the day Monday it listed. Investors have been flocking to Solaxi because of its interesting fundamentals, with the project launching Solana's first proper Layer 2 network. As such, it offers ultra-low transaction fees and very fast confirmation times, helping users to avoid the congestion that can still impact Solana. It enables instant bridging between itself and Solana, while in the future its team plans to expand its compatibility to other chains. The next few weeks will see the arrival of its own token launchpad, Igniter, through which anyone will be able to issue their own coins. Its own DEX is also on the way, helping to make Solaxi one of the most exciting new platforms in crypto. Holders of its native token SOLX will be able to stake the coin for passive income, something which should boost demand for the token over time. And with more exchange listings rumored, now could be a very time to buy the token, while it remains relatively cheap. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? Why is crypto down today? June 26, 2025 XRP price prediction. John Deaton says $100 billion Ripple valuation is possible. Here's what that means for XRP. Press releases. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Cardano by the end of 2025. Price analysis. XRP price prediction, major breakout. Predicted within 90 days, $589 XRP possible? 22 hours ago. By Alejandro Arich. Altcoin news. Ripple settlement denied as Judge Torres rejects $50 million deal. XRP institutional sales remain limited. 1 day ago. By Anas Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in June 26, 2025. 5 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 12 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 11 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 13 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. April 11, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.